Hello everybody. For your maths lesson today, we're going to be recapping our knowledge on our multiples of 2, 5 and 10. Here is your do now task. You can use a piece of paper or a whiteboard if you have one at home to try and work out these questions. Pause the video here. Okay, so now that you've tried those questions, let's have a little look. 25 add 31. So we could use our method. 25 add 31. And we're going to start with our ones column first. 5 ones add 1 1 is 6 ones. And 3 tens add 2 tens is 5 tens. My answer is 56. Next, we have got a sequence. 24, 26, something, 30, something. So I'm going to try and work out how much our sequence is going up in. So I'm going to look at these two here, and I can see that I would have to add 2 to get to 26. It's getting bigger. So I'm going to add 2 from 26, and that would give me 28. And I'm going to check that I'm correct because I should be able to add 2 to 28, and yes, it gives me 30. And my last one, I'm going to add 2 again, and that would give me 32. And for our last question, we've got subtraction, so I'm going to make sure that I present this very carefully so they're in the right columns. And we've got our ones and we've got our tens. 5 ones take away 1 1 leaves me with 4 ones. And 6 tens take away 2 tens leaves me with 4 tens. In focus. Here you can see that we have got a number, and they have shown this with groups of tens. Can we count in tens and work out the number that is shown? So I'm going to see if I know my times tables really well for my tens. So you can count with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So we have got 10 lots of 10 groups of 10, and that equals 100. I know that I could write this as 10 groups of 10. Are there any other timetables we could use to work this out? Well, I was thinking that I could actually count in groups of 20. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Here I have got 5 groups of 20. Guided practice. So now we're going to see if we can write these as calculations. So we have got 10, 20. Have a think about what comes next. 30. I have got 3 groups of 10. This is 1 10, 2 lots of 10, 3 lots of 10. I have got 3 groups of 10. 3 times 10, and that equals 30. I could also say that this is 3 times 10, or 3 multiplied by 10. Independent task. You will have in your folder 3 different activity sheets. One is for the 2 times table, one is for the 5, and one is for the 10. So looking at the 5 times table one here that we've got on our screen, the first activity says to count in 5s and colour in the grid. You could use the highlight tool for this so that you can see the number underneath what you colour. So we're going to count in 5s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you're going to keep going till you've coloured in every 5 numbers. For your next activity, it says that you need to work out these answers. So for A, it says 2 groups of 5. So I can see that I've counted 1 group of 5 here, and this is 2 groups of 5. 5, 10. When you've coloured in the rest of the grid, you can use that to help you work out the answers for the rest of the questions as well. Last, you have some pictures, and these have different groups of 5. So I can see for question A, I've got 1 group of 5, 2 groups of 5, 3 groups of 5, 4 groups of 5, 5 groups of 5, 5 lots of 5. 5 times 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Remember that you can always use this grid to help you as well. And you'll have to complete the rest of those questions. Remember that you've also got the 10 times table, and you will have a sheet for the 2 times table.